everybody this afternoon at the World Port Hackathon 2017 in the beautiful Vanille factory. I am Dol van Duivenrode, a Rotterdam-based journalist. I'm here with Bas van Essen from RWS, Rijkswaterstaat, the head of the Datalab.
Yeah, that's correct.
And you have been a partner for the World Port Hackathon for quite a few years, I thought. Why is it an important collaboration for you?
I think it's the kind of platform we need to share our knowledge and also to share our knowledge with our partners and also bring new solutions to Dutch society to make it more reliable and it's all kind of tax money, so we have to be aware of that. And so when we can save money, like an initiative like here, one of the hackers may have an initiative where we can implement, then we can use it and then we can save some money for society.
Because that's a big theme this year, I understood, the efficiency. How can we do more with less? And environmentally wise, money wise, for the customer. What are for you interesting angles to look at regarding efficiency?
I think with predictive maintenance, our smart infrastructure, our assets are costing a lot of money, and when we can save the money from to be more reliable, our assets, and then we can bring something back to our society. So we have more of a less jamming on the waterways or on the highways.
Is that a big problem at the moment?
Well, when you look, every time there's a traffic jam or in the waterways, we have a lot of jamming. And when we can prevent jamming, it's saving a lot of money, and also more transport will be going by water instead of by road. Therefore, we have less traffic jam.
Yeah, of course. That's it sounds more efficient indeed. You shared your experience in the Datalab this morning. For the people not being there or the hackers already starting at their challenges, can you share a little bit about your talk?
Yeah, I did a presentation about how we position into the RWS Datalab to the rest of the organization, because we need to become a data-driven organization, and within the traditional organization it was very hard to manage that. So we used this program to accelerate the digital transformation and with a data-driven focus, and that's what I told, and the journey so far. And after that, a colleague of mine, Gerard Eikelenboom van Verkeersonderneming, we give some examples of what the benefits are right now, and also our collaboration, what we are doing together to solve the
So what
problems.
are the benefits? What is a big benefit which you can name?
This was especially about the highways. How can we put more about behavior about our drivers and give them the right information to go on the road or go to their work, and instead of go all on 9 o'clock to work, and now we want to split and give an impulse to their behavior. So when we use spitsrijden, it's in Dutch familiar
when
term.
there's a lot of traffic jams.
We are promoting to go to drive on a different time than usually everyone goes by 9 o'clock.
It sounds like obvious solution actually, but how come that it's only now that we are thinking about it?
Well, it's momentum, I think. All kind of we had a lot of economic problems, and therefore the roads was not that kind of problem. We had less traffic jam for a while. Now the economy is rising up again, and now much more people are using the cars again. So it's becoming a real issue now, and more asphalt is not the idea anymore. So we have to be smarter with data to find some solutions to improve our highway availability.
And Datalab has been launched this year, last year, 2016.
Yeah.
And what surprised you most? What struck you most in this past year?
I think it's the resilience you have internally, because it's something new, and it's also a new culture, a new way of work. It's younger people. We had all kind of privileges that people are seeing, and they think, oh, hey, we want to be there. Why are they getting all the facilities and we don't? And we have also good ideas, and why didn't they listen to us? And the time that we make them part of our creation, then things are getting a lot smoother than nowadays. And now we are working together and co-create something that's totally for RWS instead of just for one department.
Because you also collaborate and share data with KNMI, the Weather Institute,
The Weather
and
Authority.
ILT.
Yeah.
How is that working?
It's in startup phase, and we now also our data science, they're looking to their data science and they're connecting to each other. And now we are with the IoT solution we have right now with the assets. By seconds their data is coming in, but it's also data from the weather station. And then we combine, can we predict something about on the information of KNMI and RWS?
And how specific would you like in the future those predicaments to be?
100%. But that's not possible. And our models are now reaching out to 89%, 90%. I think that's enormously amazing, because all the data sets we have enormously a lot of data, and when you combine that to one model, when you see it's now 89% reliable, I think that's pretty amazing.
You have hackers, you have hacker teams and hackers in other teams. Do you have one advice that you want to give them?
Yeah, be creative. Be creative and don't think in what's there. Don't think in barriers. Let go your mindset free and let the magic begin.
Thank you. What a good ending. People, let the magic begin and be creative. Good luck. See you with my next guest.